Welcome guys to the weekly update. Today I will share with you what I'm expecting next for the Bitcoin. So if we just take a look on our daily time frame, if we just pull out our fixed volume range profile, so we get that value area low, point of control, and value area high. So this is our levels to trade for right now. So I mean higher time frame levels. So we get that breakout of this range, I mean breakout of value area low. For right now, what I want to see to get that daily close inside of previous value area, so you get that swing failure pattern. Okay, this is like the valid setup to take the long and to aim the all-time high or maybe the value area high. So if you get that daily close inside of the previous value area, then you can aim for the value area high or the all-time high to be taken out again. So I can show you the same example, I mean the same scenario. If we just jump on our range right here, so just a second to pull out the fixed volume range profile. So if we pull out the fixed volume range profile from this range, so the lower high, from here, and to mark just so when you pull out the fixed volume range profile, you get that value area low, point of control, and value area high. But I'm just gonna mark the levels to be easier to show you. So the point of control and the value area high. Just a second. So look at that. So you get that push right here. So we was in that big range right here, like in the same time we have that formation, I mean the same price action like here. Okay, so you get that drop to the downside, so you break out this value area low, you get that failed auction here, you get that failed auction, but we have the better scenario right here because we get that swing failure pattern of this low. I mean I will say what we can expect from this price action if you get that price action. Okay, so you get here the failed auction, you get that daily close into that previous value area. So what I want to see right now, I want to see that daily close inside of this previous value area, and then you can aim for the value area high. Okay, but just to remain, you need to be aware of this high right here and that point of control in the same zone we have not the VWAP. In the same zone we have this the CME 50. So this can be the really nice zone to take the short trade. Okay, because you can get that swing failure pattern of this high right here. Just to maybe be easier to show you, just a second. So just remember that you get that failed auction, you get that breakout of this range right here, you was accepted rejection of that point of control range, and then that push to the higher prices. Okay, so just to show you now, so to pull out from this everything, so look at that right now. Just to change the colors, can I get the... Okay, so you get okay, so you have like the failed auction, just a second, that would be easier. So you get that failed auction, you get that failed auction, and you get that swing failure pattern of this low right here. Now here we have that point of control, in the same zone we have the CME 50 right here, so that's why I say that is like the really nice zone to take the short trade, just to take the value area low, or I mean to retest this value area low and then to see that continuation to the higher prices. Okay, so this is the possible scenario for right now. So you can get rejected from this point of control, you get that swing failure pattern of this high, retest of this value area low, some range, and then breakout to take out this all-time high again. So this is like the possible scenario, but in the same time, if you get rejected from this point of control right here, okay, if you get rejected from this point of control right here, then if we get breakout again of this value area low, then we can just expect some drop to the downside to clear this previous monthly low right here, okay, to get some swing failure pattern. In the same zone we have this CME 100, so this is like the really nice zone to take the long trade. If we just pull out our fixed volume range the Fibonacci range, you have the 0.75 in the same zone, so if we get that drop to the downside, we can find that support in that zone, and then we can see the continuation to the higher prices. Okay, what is important is that if we just jump on the monthly time frame, just a second, so hide this, delete. So if we get that drop, what is important is that if we get that monthly candle close below this low, then this is like the really big sign of weakness, and then we can expect some lower prices to come. Okay, but for right now, if we get that drop to the downside, and if we get that candle close above this low, then this is not like the really bearish, then we can just see the continuation to the higher prices. Okay, because this is like the if you want to see some change of market structure, then you need to see that candle close below this low. Okay, so if you get that close above this low, then this is like just the sweep of the liquidity, and then you can just aim for this high to be taken out again. Okay, in the same time we are just the one time framing on that monthly time frame. Okay, so we are still like really bullish, and that's why I'm not that bearish. So again, if we just say so if you pull out our fixed volume range profile, if we get that daily close inside of this previous value area, then I'm expecting the value area high to be taken out, or maybe the all-time high to be again taken out, and then we can expect some, I don't know, reversal, and that's up, but we need more data for that price action. Okay, so but for right now I'm just looking that like this is the failed auction. If we get that daily close, so we get accepted into previous value area, then you aim for the all-time high or the value area high, but you need to be aware of this point of control. If you get rejected, and if we get that breakout of this value area low, then we can see some continuation to the downside. Why? Because if we just hide that, and if we just take a look on our market structure, we are kinda bearish. Okay, but we get that swing failure pattern of this low right here, so we have that low, high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, then we get that drop like low, high, low, lower high, and lower low. So lower low is because we take out this low right here, so this is the breakout structure, and we need to flip that zone. We need to flip that zone to get that continuation to the higher prices. Okay, but like I said, we have the point of control right in that zone. Okay, so if we get rejected of this point of control, we can get the retest of value area low, and then to see some range, or just the retest, and then to see that continuation to the higher prices. Okay, so I'm not really that big bearish, but we need to be aware of everything. Okay, so you need to be prepared for the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario. Okay, so that's it. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.